So most of you guys probably didn't know, but I run a car valeting company and today we'll be doing an exterior valet on this Audi A5. As you guys can see, the car is proper muddy and it needs a really good clean, but the owner also wants a full hand polish. And the car is going to go from this to this. They will also be using the 2 bucket wash method just so I don't drag any dirt that I've took off the car. So let's get into this then. I'm just starting off by rinsing the car to bring any loose dirt off it, and then I'm going straight at it with my wash mitt straight to the roof, just so I can bring all the dirt down instead of bringing it up. Now I'm doing the whole side of the car. I use a method where I go from a big mitt to a small mitt and then using a little detail brush to get the little edges that you didn't get with the mitts. Yeah, that side's looking much better already. Now on to the other side, and we're just using the same method again. And if you guys are cleaning your car, please clean the fuel cap because they get really dirty. After I finished cleaning out the fuel cap, I rinsed the side off and that was that side clean. I didn't film it though. But now we're moving on to the front. And now we're cleaning the front bumper.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see.
Using that small detail brush again to just get into all the nooks and crannies of the front grille.
Cross out the ones who heard my cries
And now we're moving on to the wheels. I don't know why I do these last, but I've just done that ever since I started valeting.
spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality.
And also guys, please clean your wheelbarrows because if you don't take care of them, they can corrode over time.
Wait and glee. I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So we're now moving on to the polishing stage, and I'll be using this small green applicator pad and a nice microfiber cloth. that is the car done. I know I didn't film everything, but look at these results. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and comment as well. Give me some feedback. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one.